The amount of corn chips dispensed into a 17-ounce bag by the dispensing machine has been identified as possessing a normal distribution with a mean of 17.5 ounces, standard deviation of 0.2 ounces. Suppose 400 bags of chips were randomly selected from this dispensing machine. Find the probability that the sample mean weight of these 400 bags exceeds 17.6 ounces, round to 4 decimal places. Okay, first, let's go ahead and draw out a normal curve and label it. So we're going to go ahead and label the mean of the sample means at 17.5. Then remember the standard deviation of the sample means is 0.2 divided by the square root of 400, divided by the square root of n, right? So it's not 0.2. If you put 0.2, you're going to get the wrong answer. So make sure you divide it by the number of the square root of the number of bags in this case. So we'll go ahead and label that, and let's go ahead and approximate that to be 0.01. In fact, I think it comes out exactly 0.01 if you do the math on that. So we have our curve labeled like you see here. Now let's go ahead and shade. So put 17.6 somewhere to the right of that, and we see the shading somewhere to the right. So now let's go ahead and use our normal distribution tool. Okay, so recall we go to Stat, Calculators, and go down to Normal. We're going to put in our mean. Standard deviation is now 0.01, right? And we're going to say it's greater than or equal to 17.6. We get basically 0. Now, it's not really 0, but it's 0.00000000001. So it's so close to 0, we just go ahead and call it 0. And so that's why the answer here is approximately 0. So I hope that helps.